In this video, I'll show you how to use Hermes Agent with its built-in Home Assistant tools to take direct control of your entire smart home through a single conversation. So let's get straight into it. Hermes Agent talks to Home Assistant in two ways. First, through the Gateway platform, a WebSocket connection that subscribes to real-time state changes and reacts to events as they happen. Second, through Smart Home Tools, 4 LLM-callable tools that let the agent query and control your devices via the REST API. Here's how you set it up. Just 3 steps. Step 1. Edit the .env file with 2 lines to connect Hermes Agent to Home Assistant. First, HASS token. Paste the long-lived access token you created in Home Assistant. Second, HASS URL, pointed at your Home Assistant address. Both of these are required, and here's the key thing. Once HASS token is set, everything else activates automatically. The entire Home Assistant toolset turns on. Both the Gateway platform and the 4 device control tools come alive from this single configuration. Step 2. Configure real-time event monitoring in the config.yaml file. This is the step that makes Hermes Agent reactive instead of just responsive. The default config has no Home Assistant section, so you need to paste this into config.yaml under the platform's key. Under Watch Domains, you list the entity domains the agent should monitor in real time: climate, binary sensor, switch, light. Switch changes, light state changes, all of it gets forwarded to the agent the moment it happens. Under Watch Entities, you can target individual entity IDs, like Smart Plug or Door Sensor. And Ignore Entities is how you suppress the noisy stuff that changes constantly but tells you nothing useful: sensor.uptime, sensor.cpu usage, sensor.memory usage. Add cooldown seconds. 30 is a good starting point to prevent event flooding. Step 3. Reboot Hermes Agent. Home Assistant will show up as a connected platform right alongside any other messaging platforms you've already got. Now, let's test if it actually works. I turn on the Smart Plug, and almost instantly, Hermes Agent picks up the event and pushes a notification right into Home Assistant. It's there. That handles reactive events. To take control instead, you've got 4 built-in tools. The first one is HA List Entities. It lists all your Home Assistant entities, and you can optionally filter by domain or area. Just ask it, list all lights, and it returns a clean, readable result like found 2 lights: light, on, router light, off. Simple and straight to the point. The second tool is HA Get State. This one gets you the detailed state of a single entity. Just ask it, what's the current state of Door Sensor? And it gives you a clean, direct answer. No digging through attributes, it just tells you. The third one is HA List Services. This is the tool you use when you're not sure what a device can actually do. Just ask it, what services are available for Smart Plug Socket? And it gives you a clean breakdown. For Smart Plugs, switch domain, these services are available. Turn on, turn off, toggle, switches between on and off states. No guesswork. You know exactly what each device can do. And the fourth one, the one that actually makes things happen, is HA Call Service. This is where you control a device. Just tell it, turn on the Smart Plug socket, and it figures out the domain, the service, and the entity ID behind the scenes. The result comes back clean. Done. The Smart Plug socket is now on. That's it. You speak, it acts. By the way, I've bundled the complete setup guide, link in the description. What's the first automation you'd build with this? Drop it in the comments. As always, your likes and subscribes keep me going. Thanks for watching.